recording. Sorry, guys. Woo! What's up, guys? Starting the vlog off totally different than usual. At home, just kind of leaving. Gonna take you guys along for the whole day. I want to kind of break some boundaries for myself. When you're comfortable, you're not growing. And I feel really comfortable right now. I got the media team really just putting cameras on me, and we're filming the day, and you guys are seeing the documentation of the shop and what we're doing. And now I'm like, this is kind of more for me. Like, I really want to get out there and kind of break some comfort boundaries for myself and just start vlogging more. But right now, real quick, I'm gonna go drive it over to the gas station, pump some gas, and then go back to the house, grab my truck, head over to the barbershop, and get this cleaned up. If you guys are asking why, look at this. That wasn't so bad. 40 bucks to fill up. 43 bucks. Damn, I almost got smashed right now by this truck. Yeah, I almost f***ed up though. I almost put diesel in the Honda. That would have been bad. Really feel like the Hellcat's calling my name. If you watched the last vlog, we looked over a Hellcat. I freaking love it. I've been thinking about it nonstop. My neighbor has one, so I get to hear it start up every single day. Car is badass. I'm running late, so I'm gonna run to the truck and we're gonna go to the barbershop. It's my old baby right there. I've had this truck since 2008. I bought it with like a couple thousand miles on it. It was almost new. It's almost 10 years later, still here, still running. I'm glad I kept it. When I bought the XD, I considered selling it, and now I'm able to loan that truck out, the XD, the new one, and still riding this thing, and I freaking love it. Oh my God, it's a mess. Let's see if it starts. Yep, 175,000 miles later. Got a couple check engine lights. I think it needs to get serviced, and I got a tire low, and I'm out of gas. So yeah. Truck's been sitting for a bit. I've been driving it around a little bit here and there while TJ has my new truck. The Titan XD is diesel. This one is a gas truck, obviously. Total different kinds of vehicles. You know, when you're driving with gas, punch it and the thing moves. This truck, if you guys don't know about the old Titan, I like it. I don't know how it compares to like the Chevys and all that. I know I've smoked them. The F-150s, I've smoked them. The 5.6 liter V8 in the Nissan Titan, you know, over the last 10 years of me having this truck, there's very few times that anybody pulled on me. You know, it's a truck. They're not meant to be super fast, but the Titan, the older Titan, if you guys know and if you've driven one before, they're quick. They're really quick. So don't underestimate the Titan. I'm running late for the barbershop. I'm supposed to be there in about 5 minutes, and it's about a 15-minute drive. So Chris, my barber, shout out to you. I'll put your Instagram here because I'm gonna be late and I'm gonna fuck up your whole day. I know how that goes. When we have customers that are late, it ruins the whole schedule. So I'm gonna try to safely get there as quick as possible. So I'll see you guys at the barbershop. Subi gang. Oh. Awesome. Thank you. Thank you, brother. Appreciate it. Like a new man. Thank you, Chris. Thanks for taking care of me. Gonna get over to Premium. Got a meeting with Supercar Suspects, as I mentioned earlier, and got a couple other things going on. So let's get over to the shop. Let's get to work. This is where the real part of the day gets going. So got a couple cars that we're gonna be wrapping, some projects I need to finish up, a couple meetings. Let's get over to Premium. Bam! Finally made it. All right, we're at the shop. It's 12:30 now. It's a little later than usual. I usually get here around 10:30. But doing the barbershop thing and all that kind of took a little bit of time. So made it. Let's go in. Let's find out what's going on. You guys see behind me, I got the VTX 4Runner. VTX came in, dropped off the 4Runner yesterday. We're doing a rewrap on the front bumper. He added some parts to it. So we need to, I can't get this door unlocked. This key fob stopped working, so I gotta use the key to unlock. The VTX 4Runner going back on the road. It's going up to Utah to a show this weekend, so we're trying to get it dialed in. We also have, let's take a look at this. How's it going? We got, this truck came in, has a pretty bad hood and roof. So if you see here, it looks like the guys already sanded up there. They're gonna be installing some vinyl on here to cover all that damage up. We'll see how that comes out. I'm not sure how it's gonna look. We also have the Camry in that was in yesterday that we just finished up today. We did a full blackout on it. All of the window trims were wrapped in gloss black. The roof, all of this was wrapped. The rear spoiler was wrapped. What else? We did the mirrors. A lot of little stuff went into that one. It wasn't much work, but we did keep it overnight. Customer's on his way to pick it up. Let's go find out what the crew's doing. Oh, shit. Did you have a camera on? Oh God, you got two angles. What up, Jefe?
What are you guys all cackling for, bro?
What are we cackling for?
Cackling.
Everybody's been asking where Lauren's at. No, she didn't quit. No, she didn't get fired. There's her lonely desk. She's out sick, so she's been out sick for about a week. I guess the best thing we can do is leave that sickness at home. Don't bring it here, because we can't afford to get sick right now. So she's home getting better, and then she'll be back at the shop hopefully early next week. Started laying the hood wrap. Maybe we can't show that, so it's probably gonna be black and white. This is the customer that dropped off that told us to wrap the car whatever color we want. What's up, Mitchie? Don't cut me, bro. What's up, what's up? You guys working on VTX 4Runner now. Edwin prepping the bumper. Thank you. What's up, bro? Christian, what up? How are you?
Good.
Tail light overlays on this one?
Yeah.
Pre-cut?
We got one done.
Okay.
And it's looking good. The other two, just a process right now. We're on the second version, getting it really, really close. We just got lucky and got that one on the first.
So got caught up. Christian's making templates for the 2018 Mustang. It is a little different from the last generation, so we do have to update our templates for that particular model. So hopefully by the end of this vlog, we'll have vinyl overlays available for the 2018 Mustang. Hopefully this vlog isn't boring. Like I said, we want to try something different. So they handed me a camera and I'm just doing my thing. Look at the haircut. Still look ugly, but the haircut looks good. All right, so let's fix this. Usually when one of the employees asks to go for a walk, it's one of two things. Either they're gonna complain about me or they're gonna complain about somebody else or anything else. I have a feeling I already know what's happening because I've been kind of feeling the vibes around here. So I'm gonna really show you guys and just show you everything. Here's John. Tell me about it, John. I know you wanna go for a walk and I know it's weird to be on camera when we're talking a little bit more personal, but the whole idea is here to show you guys everything.
With me transitioning out, so I'm leaving, by the way. Interview went well.
Okay, good.
Just don't know a set start date yet.
Got it.
But I am hired.
Very cool.
Just want to let you know that.
I want to let these guys know because I've been aware. John has been communicating with me, letting me know that he's looking for a new job. One of the biggest things here at Premium is making sure that we support everybody around us. And I know that John's in a transitional period in his life. He's getting older, college educated. He's been with Premium for a long time. It breaks my heart to see him go, but at the same time, like I understand the need of growth and change. And I just talked about that earlier in the vlog. When you get comfortable and you get content, things start to go stag and you got to change things. So he's changing up. You know, he wants to change and he's doing something different. I support it. I love the kid. He's Premium fam and always will be. You know, being able to have these conversations on camera, you know, it's hard, but it means a lot because you guys will know that I'm super bummed. Because I love you, dude. You're a brother to me. So what I'm gonna do is I wanted to catch the Premium fam up to speed, let them know what's going on, because we're gonna have great things happen and they're gonna be displayed on camera. We're gonna have things that are great like this, because this is a good moment in his life. Things are changing a little bit on the Premium side. It's a little bit it's sad for me, but I love the kid and I know that it doesn't mean he's gone forever and we're never gonna see him. So you guys will see him on camera often still, but you know, he's looking for a big boy job. Big boy trying to change things in his life, and at this point right now, Premium's in such a phenomenal growth stage, but I can't accommodate to everything that he needs right now. So just coming down to dollar signs, it's not working right now. So I want to make sure that he's good with his life moving forward. And you know, I'm gonna turn off the camera now so we can complete the talk, because there's other things that we got to talk about. You know, I don't want to have him on the spot, but I want him to be able to get everything off his chest. But much love to John. You know, this is just the beginning of the transition out. We are filming, we are gonna be bringing on other videographers. So if you guys are interested, please let us know. But let me put down the camera so I can continue with this guy.
I don't think this is gonna work out, and then you break up through text. Like that's
right.
Fucked up. Like I wanted to I know it was bothering you, and it was bothering me that was bothering you. So then I was like,
well, let me do this. The only reason why I turned the camera on, and I get what you're saying, I get it. It is like a relationship because we have more than a bond of just an employee to, you know, boss and employee, because I don't look at myself as the boss. I'm just leading the pack and we're doing our thing together and we're all going through this journey together. So it was never like that, and I understand what you're saying. It's awkward with you transitioning out. But I want to say this on camera, that's why I turned it back on, is this right here is just a testimonial to anybody who's ever looking to hire this guy in the future, moving forward. There's not many bosses or leaders that would get on camera and say this. This guy is the best. He's an amazing employee. He's just an amazing dude. So, you know, when those calls come in, people say, you know, recommendation calls, you have my recommendation and you have it on camera. Like I mean that from the bottom of my heart. John has been a person that has helped grow the business, because you remember a year or 2 years ago what it was like and what we were doing.
On the first shop.
Yeah, so the first shop is over here. You know, John started with me there from the beginning. You know, it's almost been 4 years?
Yeah, we're going on 4.
Yeah, almost 4 years John's been with me. So we've been through a lot. He's seen a lot of growth, and I want to put this on camera because of his efforts. It was up the ladder. We were building this business together. So a lot of the stuff that you guys see now is because of the efforts he put in. Long hours, a lot of nights, and just doing our thing. So anybody ever looking to hire John, refer to this video. Greatest dude, comes from a good family, and he carries a lot of values that I really respect, and I love the kid. So that's all. This angle on this, I don't know why you always had it like that, but it's pretty cool.
I love it like that.
All right, guys, so the vlog was a little different than usual. It was kind of just a day with me. I'm filming the outro the next day, but I'm here with the staff. Got Jefe in the back. I'm really blown out right now. Come on, let's get this focus. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed that vlog, this vlog, A Day with Daniel, is that what you titled it?
A Day with Daniel.
A Day with Daniel. If you thought that was cool and you want to see more of that, please let me know. You won't hurt my feelings. If you didn't like it, no big deal. Comment below, let us know. We will not continue doing it. If you did like it, let us know as well, because we would like to do kind of a series where it's A Day with Daniel, episode 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then do it with Mitch, do it with Jefe, and just kind of give you guys a better look into what premium is outside of just the work that we do. Because we all know that you guys know that we grind and we wrap a ton of cars, but you know, I feel like if we're gonna try to evolve the channel, I really want to show you guys more of who we are as individuals. So if you liked it, please comment below. Have a great day. We'll see you guys in the next vlog. Woo!
I do it for the love, yes I do. So you don't care